Today I'm going to present the study title Knowledge, Attitude and Practices about Dental Home among Healthcare Professionals of Belagavi City, a cross-sectional study. What do you mean by a dental home? The American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry defines dental home as an ongoing relationship between the dentist and the patient, inclusive of all aspects of oral health care, delivered in a comprehensive, continuously accessible, coordinated, and family centered way. Aids in providing treatment is starting from preliminary health care. Though the policy about dental home concept was adopted in 2000 and being revised in 2004, there are still many aspects left unheard. So, the aim of our study is to assess knowledge, attitude and practices about dental home among the healthcare professionals. The objectives are to assess and evaluate the knowledge of dental home among healthcare professionals and to assess the gap between knowledge, attitude and practices and the implementation of the concept of dental home. A cross-sectional questionnaire study was conducted among postgraduate students of medical, nursing, homeopathy and Ayurveda. A pilot study was conducted among 12 subjects and alpha-Kronberg coefficient of 0.82 is calculated. Sample size of 400 is taken and 5-point Likert scale is used to evaluate the response of participants. Questionnaires were distributed and participants were instructed regarding the procedure. Some questions related to the study and their knowledge about the pediatric dentistry were also being asked. Furthermore, they were being introduced about what the pediatric dentistry is. The statistical analysis is then carried out using descriptive analysis. The results of our study showed that there were no dropouts when comparing the demographic data and the profile of the participants. However, higher knowledge was found among postgraduates as compared to the interns. The highest knowledge was found among the medical professionals and the least being among the nursing professionals, accounting only 20%. Yes, the results were highly statistically significant. Post-intervention in form of educating the other health professionals was done at Ayurveda, homeopathy, and nursing colleges. They were being imparted the knowledge about the pediatric dentistry and its relevance in maintaining the overall development of the child. So as to conclude, I would like to say that there is a dire need to initiate comprehensive oral health care, starting from the rural health centers to primary health centers in all the parts of our country. Therefore, dental home can serve as an analog to medical home, where the child receives preventive care and treatment. Also, there is a need to include the concept of dental home in the curriculum of other healthcare professionals. Establishment of dental home at various healthcare levels should take place to provide anticipatory guidance regarding overall growth and development of pediatric patients at an early stage. Because success is not a magic, it needs sweat, determination, and hard work. The most beautiful thing in the world is to see your children smiling. And the next beautiful thing is to know that you are the reason behind that smile. Thank you.